about you.
Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the 9th April 2019 build of the Havoc OS. And of course this is an amazing ROM for the device. Let me just quickly show you the settings panel and show you what's new over here. So if you go into the about phone over here, you will see that the security patch level is April 5th 2019, and of course the Android version is still 9 Pie, and it has this kind of like drawing kind of option in the Easter egg, and stock kernel version is the Derp Plus kernel, and everything is pretty optimized right now for this ROM. And I'm using the dark theme over here. You may ask why. Well, this is because the colors, the accent color over here, like in the accent color you will find the OnePlus kind of, the Oxygen OS kind of like red color, and it's pretty red and looks amazing as you can see. And you can even choose it to be in the like header image over here. Let me just show you the Havoc settings from here. If you go into the interface option, and over here you have the background color option, and in the accent color option I think this is the like OnePlus kind of red color, and you can choose it to be in the header style, like from this quick setting header style just choose it to be accent based, so it will look like this. In my opinion, the black and red combination of course always looks dope, the MKBHD color you might call it that way. And over here the quick setting style you can change it to like whatever you need, and by default the quick settings panel looks a little bit different to me. As you can see, the mobile data and stuff, the icons kind of looks amazing over here. And of course we do have still the brightness control option. As you can see, like if you do this, as you can see, you can control the brightness from the status bar over here. And let me just go back. Let's go to the status bar option. Here we have the brightness control gesture, double tap to sleep gesture, and all those like good stuff. VoLTE calls work super fine, and even VoLTE icon is there like Oxygen OS. And in the call UI you get the like recording option and stuff, and calling via the Bluetooth headset and stuff works flawlessly too, so you don't need to worry. And inside gestures we get everything like the edge gestures, the OnePlus gestures, swipe to take screenshot, and all those good things. And 3-finger screenshot gesture again, as you can see it works. And over from the miscellaneous stuff you can like disable the wake up on charge if you want to. USB configuration you can change it to File Explorer, so that whenever you connect to your micro USB cable to the PC it will just switch to that file transfer mode. And you can like disable heads up and stuff from here, and vibrate on connect or any kind of in-call vibration stuff are inside notification panel. And let me show you the display settings quickly here. As you can see, double tap to wake is still there, and night light and stuff does work. And the stock launcher over here is the launcher. Let me just go into the settings and show you. As you can see, this is how the launcher settings looks like. We have plenty of customizations in the stock launcher. And if you go into the gestures, we have the double tap to sleep, so you can just double tap anywhere on the home screen and it will make the phone into sleep. Now let me show you the fingerprint scanner speed over here. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner speed is fast enough in my opinion, and it's not too slow, but yeah, it's pretty good. And let me show you the DRM info over here. So from here, as you can see, the security level still shows as level 3, not L1. So that's how it is regarding DRM info. You can swipe from the left of this launcher to get to the Google Now cards, and you can swipe down anywhere on the home screen to get the quick settings panel or the notification panel. And if you just like press the volume button, you can just like expand it over here. You get the like normal media volume, the notification volume, and the alarm volume. You can even put the phone into silent or vibrate mode from here like normally you do. And if you lock the screen and like press and hold the power button, it will just switch to the torch or toggle the torch. And you have to like enable the settings from the customizations, but it does work. Whenever the screen is locked, you can just press and hold the power button to toggle the torch. And while you are charging the device, it does show you the lock screen charging info over here, as you can see, and it does this kind of pretty cool animation. And the Google Pay does work right away after you flash the ROM. You don't need to do any kind of tweaks for this. Google Pay will be working like amazingly well, or any kind of banking app should be working pretty fine without even trying any kind of tweaks over here in this ROM. And the stock camera is still the MIUI camera over here, and everything works with the like portrait mode and stuff. Everything does work. And if you go into the Google camera, well, yes, Pixel 3 camera, you can install them Even the portrait mode and stuff does work over here, you don't need to worry. And capturing videos even with the Pixel 3 camera does work. It does kind of the crop over here. Night sight and stuff via the Google camera or the Pixel 3 camera does work super fine too, you don't need to worry. If you want to install Google camera on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, here is a card, and let me show you the app open up speeds and the RAM management right now in this ROM. Let's open File Explorer, Facebook, Twitter, Play Store, YouTube, Instagram. Let's open all the apps from memory. As you can see, it's pretty fine in my opinion. The RAM management over here is pretty good, you don't need to worry. I have the 4GB RAM variant over here of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it is working super fine. And over here, as you can see, this like you can switch between apps just like this, and even we have this one-handed mode. You can switch the one-handed mode to this side or this side, and you can even customize the size of it from here, as you can see. So in my opinion, this is pretty cool feature, and you can definitely use them if you want to. And the RAM management, as you just saw, is just amazing. And regarding gaming performance, you can play PUBG on HD and high settings at the highest. And here is the Antutu score of this ROM. Now regarding battery life, well, I would say this is still pretty great. It's getting around 7 hours of screen on time pretty much, 7+ hours of screen on time pretty much. So you won't be having any kind of issues regarding the battery life over here. And regarding the sound output via the headphone jack, well, that is amazing too. And if you go into the settings and go to sound, and if you scroll down, you can like customize these kind of stuff, like you can disable the charging sound, screenshot sound, etc. And in the bottom we get the Mi Audio Enhancer or the Mi Audio Direct, and from here you can choose from these many headphones option. We have the Youth Edition Mi headphones, like a lot of options are over here, you can choose from them, and you can even choose a preset like rock, jazz, etc. And the sound output via the headphone jack again is just amazing, you don't need to worry. And in the lock screen and stuff, it does show you the like temperature over here and the date and the time, of course. And regarding one more thing, like if you go into the security, and I have flashed the micro G apps over here by the way, and if you go into the smart lock, so from here inside smart lock, you won't be seeing the trusted face or something like that over here, because I have flashed the G apps only once. So to get the like the face unlock option or the trusted face option over here, you have to flash the G apps 2 times. So that is kind of a bug with all the ROMs right now, but yeah, you have to flash the micro G apps 2 times. And if you want to like use the fingerprint scanner all the time, you can go to the Havoc settings and inside lock screen. From here, just enable this forced fingerprint authentication so that it will unlock with fingerprint no matter how many times you reboot the phone. So that is how it is. So you can always use fingerprint scanner by enabling this forced fingerprint authentication. And face unlock is of course over there, but you have to flash micro G apps 2 times, just keep that in mind. And let me show you that we do have advanced reboot over here, as you can see. So if I just tap over here, we can directly reboot to recovery, like into system or bootloader and stuff. So advanced reboot and stuff, everything is there. This ROM does not skip any feature which I will need. So that is how it is, guys. This ROM is just amazing, dope. So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do share it out with your friends if they have a Redmi Note 5 Pro and if they want to know which custom ROM is best for the device. So that is it, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today. I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.